I can see a lot of good things in the solar project. It's a perfect project for out in this area. As you know, we don't have any real agriculture going on. It doesn't use a lot of water, and it's a low profile where it can be hidden out of sight very easily. I also think because of the transmission lines that run right through our area here, it really makes sense that they take advantage of that. It's going to stimulate the economy out here. Restaurant and the store owner, which he's had those things closed down for quite some time. And I think this project will probably, and he's pretty sure that he's going to open it up, open the store and open the cafe there when the project starts. And it'll be a big boost for the community out here, and all the people will really enjoy that. I know that we will. We'll have a place to go once in a while. We have 300 people at least living out here in this area. I think it's going to be a big plus for everybody out here. We're really happy to see it. It's moving right along, yeah.